Welcome to Chuck's Bricks. This is going to be my second attempt to find some roll plates to replace the old Lego roll plates, as Lego does not make them anymore. I had a video earlier which I attached to the end of this video show ones that didn't work, but I found these Felf, or however you pronounce that, F-E-L-E-P-H. I found them on Amazon. They look like the Lego roll plates. I bought straight plates, sets of 10. They were about $4 a plate. I bought some corner plates. These were sets of 2, and I think they're about $5 a plate. And with the large roll plates, the set of 10, when I bought them, they said there are only 5 available. And after I bought them and received them, I tried to go out there again. There's none available. So you can only get, like, I think sets of 4 now on the straight ones. Hopefully get more large ones back again. But on the set of 4 the straight ones, they're about $5 a plate. So it's just going to cost you about $1 more. But they look and feel like the old Lego roll plates. Let me pull an old Lego roll plate out here and put them side by side. I mean, they don't look exact. I mean, it seems like they're a lot wider. And I just noticed, if you feel this, it feels like it's painted on, where if you go with a Lego one, they're perfectly smooth. So I mean, yes, it's more of a painted texture. The color is different. Of course, these have little Lego on every stud and this does not, but if that don't matter, I mean, you can't get the Lego ones. I mean, maybe you can go out and buy them somewhere for a premium, but Lego discontinued them. So you gotta find alternative bricks. Now, being alternative bricks, I mean, you can feel like in the seam here, they are, I mean, you can see a little line there. So depending on how nitpicky you are getting about that stuff, you go with this one. I mean, on center line, you kind of feel the line there. So yes, they're not 100% the same quality of Lego, but when you put them together, you lock them together, you put vehicles on them, you're really not going to notice all that. So I think it does work for me. Yeah, also while I was doing that, I bought some other bricks from the same company. They always talk about how Lego don't have corners for their architectural brick. Let's get that gray out and get just white. So yeah, they do make the corners. So yes, that's nice, but what I wish they would have done is on like a 2x2 on the end put the texture, because when you go around a corner, you're just not going to line up all corner bricks. You need to stagger your bricks. So on this side it looks nice, it's staggered. When you go to the other side, you still got the issue of the smooth surface there. It'd be nice if on like a 2x2 or a 1x2 or 1x4, if they put the texture on the end of the brick, because that would be nice to have that. I mean, corner bricks is nice, but unless you make a huge stack of corner bricks, it's not going to work, because when you have a huge stack of corner bricks, yeah, that's nice, but where's the structure? Because now the bricks aren't attaching to what's left. They're just going to be side by side. You're not really attaching them for structure. And these bricks, I mean, they're not Lego, so sometimes they do seem a little stiffer, but just gotta experiment, because you want corner bricks. Yep, they're a little stiffer, but it's something I experiment with. So main reason I went to that store is to get more old-fashioned Lego road plates. So I'm planning on doing a city expansion, and it's nice to have the old road plates because I don't want to go and spend huge bucks to change my city. And I'll try to see if I can pull this up. I don't know how the reflection is going to show, but you can see different lines and textures. It's not like Lego where it's all nice and smooth, but unless you get a magnifying glass out and you put your face right into it from a distance, you're not going to notice it. The biggest thing you'll notice is the different light and dark of the white. So you just got to make sure when you put in your city that, okay, we got the old section here and the new section here, because if you go in real cities, I mean, they don't necessarily have to repaint all the stripes at the same time, so some are a little faded. So does it really matter that it's slightly different shade? I mean, the only way it matters is if you sit there and intermix them, or light dark. But if you put all of the old ones together and all the new ones together, only point where you're going to have an issue is where they touch. So this is my Lego road plates for now. Hopefully this company continues making them because Lego doesn't. I hope there's still enough people that want these third-party bricks, or whatever they call them, alternate bricks. Hopefully they continue making these discontinued Lego pieces, so those of us who don't want to spend huge money and go to mills, and so we can have the new road plates, continue on with our cities. So thank you very much. If you like what I have here, please like and subscribe. And with all these road plates, I just give you a heads up. I am going to be expanding my city in the future. Don't know how soon, but I'm kind of getting supplies to work on that. So subscribe to my channel, and maybe in a month or so you can start to see me tear down my city and rebuild it. Thank you from Chuck's Bricks.